Now, how to stop the machine? Once you are homing it, you can press this stop. You see this spinal stop, or you can press reset. For example, if I click on TSM, go to jog mode, then select TSM, put the spinal speed you want, let's say 5,000, then select the direction clockwise, and then click cycle start. When it starts, I want to stop this. How do I stop this? I can stop using this stop, or I can stop using this reset. Yes, when you press reset, it stops. Okay, now second, how can you create a tool and load a tool? That is very important in Siemens. How do you create a tool and load a tool? Procedure number one is click on jog mode on machine control panel. Step two, go to offset. This one, offset. Then step three, ensure you are on the click on the horizontal soft keys where it is on the tool list, and then go down here. You can move your cursor down here where there's no tool number, and then click new tool. These are the tools you need to create. Select the category of a tool. If this is roughing, for example, depending on the tool orientation, I can pick the first edge roughing, then I click OK. From here, I can edit my tool. I can say OD rough. The angle is 80. It has a tip of 0.8. I'm using a left tool, and then you press input. From there, now move to check the tool radius. Most cases you can input the tool length. If you have, you can measure tool length and for X and the tool length for Z, and then input. But you don't have. You have to measure using a measuring tool to check the tool length and also the tool length for X and Z. Here I can put the radius. What is the tip radius? It's 0.8. Press enter. What is the angle? So this tool, where is it going? So you need to know the where it's going, because my magazine is here, so it's going this direction. Then you can go to the angle is 80, the size is 12. You put input, then you press input. Then here left, so it should be for the left tool. Here it should be, and click select. It should be in the anti-clockwise direction. Then check this one. Go to this one, ensure you check it, or you can click select to check the coolant. Then once you have done that, you can load the tool. I can click now load the tool. I can unload this one. First of all, let me go to this one and unload these tools. Unload these tools. Unload the tool. The same to number 2. Unload number 3. Unload number 4. Unload. Then I can now load my tool. I can come to this point. Then I say load the tool to number 1. I accept. Then I can come again down here and create another tool for all the roughing. I can create another tool again. I can say sorry. I can remove this one. I'm using a virtual controller OD semi rough or semi finish. Let me use semi finish. Or the semi finish. That is angle 55, but it has 0.8, which is left tool. Click here input, then move, check where the tool is. Here is where the tool is. Go to where tool is. Radius is, what is the radius of the tool? So go here, you put a tool radius is 0.8, input. The angle, the size is 15, input. That is DNMG 150606. Go here, it's also left. Check here, go next, check this, and then load the tool to number 2. Okay. Come down here again, create a finishing tool, OD finishing tool. Come to this category down here, click OK. Then I can change all my tool here. I can say OD finish 35 0.4 left. Click enter, then move that up to where the tool is. Click select, then move across the tool. You can move across like this one. You see the cursor, go to radius is 0.4, input, and then the angle here, The angle here is 35. You can put the angle 35. You can put here the size is 16. Sorry, the length is 16. And then angle here is 35. This can be 95. And then ensure you select the right tool direction, select here, go to next, click here, always to check, then load the tool to number 3, click OK. So this is you are creating the tool, then you are loading the magazine. You are loading the magazine. That is the magazine number 1. On the magazine 1, location number 1, number 2, number 3. Now you can create another tool for threading. Can create for cutoff, new tool. Cutoff is category on the plunger. So you go to plunger, you pick this one, you click OK, and then I can say I want to create OD groove. OD groove. This one I can put my OD groove. Can say this is 4, it is 15, and it is left. Okay, and then go to the tool you have created here, select, go to maybe these parameters here, go to the length, the width of the tool is 4, go to the size is 15, and then it is left. Yes, it is left. Click select here and clockwise, go to this one, then load the tool to number 4 again. Come back here, create the cutoff tool, new, plunge, battle plunge, then this. Okay, I can say this is a OD cut off. Sorry, cut off. It is 4 but 35 left. Press enter. Go the tool you have created. Press this one. You go to the width is 4. The size is 35. The tool is left. Then go next. Check coolant, load to number 5. Then from here you can go down here again. Here add new tool. I want to create a threading tool, so go to threading tool category, threading tool. I think this is the external one, threading tool. Click OK. Then write OD thread. OD thread. This is it is 60 profile of pitch, let's say 2, and this is can be right. I want to show different way. Go to the tool where it is, then go to the tip radius is 0.237. Go to, then check here because it's right. Let it go clockwise. Then check here the coolant. You can click this select, then load the tool to number 6. If this only for turning, because we don't have the milling part of it, this basic, that is Siemens 828D basic. You can create as many tools as you want, and then you load them. So the tip on how to create tools, you go down where a tool is, which means this one can hold up to tool of number 8. Then you can load the tool. You can come to, for example, how do you load the tool now after creating the tool? Click on the jog mode, come to machine mode here, and then go to TSM. Then come to tool here, where this here, you can use tool name. You are using tool name, not tool ID. You can click here, select tool location. I don't want to use tool selection location. Tool name is good. Then clear, select the tool. The first one, go to the first one here, the first one. Then click here in the manual. From here, you can even initiate maybe the 2000. I can use 800. The best is 800. Enter. Gear direction is anti-clockwise, so select here anti-clockwise like this. Go to G54, select the G54 like this. Machining plane G17, and then once you have closed the door, click cycle start. You will see it rotating, but you are not seeing it having the tool at a location, because now this is the tool, but there's no tool here. So how do you put the tool here? Because I'm using a virtual controller. Click reset, and then go to machine here, tool management. You can click any tool, external tool. I'm using CNMG. The size is 12, thickness is 4, insert radius is 0.8. I'm using carbide. Let me use diamond, or even I can use this one. Let me use hard metal. Angle is 95. I'm using fillet of, let me 40.3. I'm using this shank is 125. That is K. Shank width is 20. Okay. Then RPM not good for you to use RPM. And then from here, this tool is number 1. Now it is CNMG. Remember, it is CNMG angle 80, and then all these other parameters. Then you click OK. After clicking OK, right click here, or right click here, or just click here, add to turret. So click add turret number 1. You see now the tools come here, turret number 1. So you can mount it now. Already the tool has been mounted. You click OK. Then you can go to the second one like that. You put all the tools in the magazine. Then you click OK. So that's the same procedure. Then this tool is now in the required position. The tool OD rough angle 8008. That is CNMG 120408. This is how you can create a tool. Next, you can now do measure. So how do you measure? The next part I'll show you how to measure.